Hello everybody. Hey, here's my latest underwater piece. And as you can see, I've continued to explore my sub-aqua flora. And it's all make-believe really, of course it is. I do have a friend Pete who's a Royal Horticultural Society botanist, and he puts me right on my flora for flowers and trees and leaves. And what I need is an underwater Pete really to tell me what these are. I mean, I think we can agree that this is seaweed, but the rest is just pure fantasy. But I like that. And the main thing is to get the right mood, the jolly mood. And the story behind this piece is that Molly, my daughter, has been making prawns and cocktails for Christmas tree decorations. So I thought I'd have a go myself. I've combined the prawns with the cocktails and come up with a prawn cocktail. And the verse for this, which explains it all, goes like this. When you're under the sea and it's time for tea, there's no need to wail. Have a prawn cocktail. Cheers, everybody. Oh, boy. And a Happy New Year.